Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on Organization Communication Processes. By the end of the video, you will learn about meaning, importance, process and purpose of communication and verbal and non-verbal communication. You will also learn about channels and barriers of communication and how can one make communication effective. In the bustling world of management, communication is the linchpin that holds everything together. It's not just about passing information, it's about creating understanding and driving action. Managers are at the heart of this process, constantly exchanging information to shape the future of their organizations. Studies have shown that a staggering 40 to 60% of a typical manager's time is devoted to communication. It's the bedrock upon which planning, organizing, directing, and controlling rest. Without effective communication, even the best laid plans can falter, and organizational objectives can become mere wishful thinking. Think of communication as a versatile tool in a manager's toolkit. It's essential for realistic planning, adapting to the external environment, exercising leadership, making decisions, coordinating efforts, and motivating people. The success of a manager, and indeed, the entire organization, depends on the ability to communicate effectively. At its core, communication involves a sender, a message, and a receiver. The process seems straightforward, yet it's where the magic happens. The sender encodes a thought or idea into a message, which is then decoded by the receiver. It's a delicate dance of understanding that requires precision and clarity at every step. Encoding is where thoughts take form. It's more than just choosing words, it's about selecting the right symbols, whether verbal or non-verbal, to convey the intended message. This step is crucial, as the complexity of ideas often demands intricate encoding to ensure the message is understood as intended. The chosen communication channel is the bridge between sender and receiver. It can be as simple as a face-to-face conversation or as complex as a social media campaign. The effectiveness of communication heavily relies on selecting the appropriate channel for the message and the audience. Decoding is where the message is translated back into thoughts. It's a critical moment of truth where the receiver interprets the message. Successful communication hinges on the receiver's ability to decode the message in a way that closely aligns with the sender's original intent. Feedback is the heartbeat of effective communication. It closes the loop, letting the sender know whether the message was received as intended. It's through feedback that misunderstandings are clarified, ensuring the message not only reaches its destination but does so with the intended impact. Imagine trying to talk over a loud noise. That's what noise does to communication. It distorts the message, leading to misunderstandings. Whether it's literal noise or metaphorical, like cultural differences, recognizing and minimizing noise is crucial for clear communication. Words carry just a fraction of our messages. A significant portion of what we say is conveyed through body language, tone, and facial expressions. Managers must master this silent language to truly connect with and inspire their teams. The words we choose can build bridges or walls. Simple, clear, and concise language is the key to effective communication. It's not just what you say, but how you say it, that can make all the difference. In organizations, communication flows through formal channels designed by the structure and through informal networks that spring up naturally. Both are vital. Formal communication ensures order and efficiency, while informal communication fosters relationships and innovation. The structure of communication networks, whether centralized like a wheel or decentralized like a circle, can significantly affect the flow and effectiveness of information. The right structure can enhance decision-making, speed, and flexibility, aligning with the organization's goals. While formal communication paths lay the groundwork, informal communication channels are the organization's lifeblood. They facilitate spontaneous idea exchange and strengthen bonds among team members, contributing to a vibrant organizational culture. Communication barriers are like walls that block the flow of information. These can be language differences, cultural misunderstandings, or even technological glitches. To overcome these barriers, managers need to be adaptable, employing clear language, understanding cultural nuances, and staying updated with technology. It's about building bridges, not walls. Listening is half of communication's equation. It's an art that requires empathy, patience, and genuine interest in understanding the speaker's perspective. Active listening not only fosters trust but also unveils insights that could be missed otherwise. As managers, cultivating good listening skills can transform interactions and lead to more effective decision-making. The digital age has transformed how we communicate. Email, social media, and instant messaging have become staples in the organizational communication toolkit. While they offer speed and convenience, they also require a new set of skills to manage the volume and maintain clarity. Navigating digital communication effectively means being concise, clear, and purposeful. Technology not only bridges distances but also opens new avenues for collaboration and innovation. Utilizing project management tools, virtual meeting platforms, and collaborative software can enhance team dynamics and project efficiency. Emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in effective communication. It's about being aware of your own emotions and those of others and navigating interactions with empathy and tact. For managers, this means creating an environment where open, honest communication thrives, and where feedback is both given and received constructively. Storytelling is a powerful tool in a manager's communication arsenal. It can bring data to life, humanize business strategies, and build a strong organizational culture. Stories engage emotions, making messages more memorable and impactful. Incorporating storytelling into communication can inspire teams and drive them toward shared goals. Cultivating a culture of open communication is vital for organizational health. It encourages the sharing of ideas, feedback, and concerns without fear of retribution. An open communication culture nurtures innovation, builds trust, and enhances team cohesion. As leaders, fostering this environment is essential for sustainable growth. Change is constant in the business world, and effective communication is crucial for navigating it successfully. Whether it's organizational restructuring, new processes, or cultural shifts, clear and consistent communication can ease transitions, align stakeholders, and ensure continuity. In times of change, communication is the compass that guides the ship. And that's it for now. We conclude this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.